Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that has become a game changer for oral health, the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser Professional, WP660. If you're on the hunt for a reliable, dentist-recommended water flosser, stick around, because this one might just be the solution you're looking for. The Waterpik Aquarius is a fully featured water flosser designed to enhance your dental care routine. It boasts an impressive 10 pressure settings that allow for a custom clean tailored to your needs. Whether you're looking for a gentle clean or a more intense flossing experience, this device can do it all. Plus, with a built-in timer and pacer, it helps you stay on track, pausing briefly at 30 seconds and 1 minute to ensure you're flossing for the recommended time. The addition of a massage mode is a thoughtful touch, providing gum stimulation for improved gum health. Using the Waterpik Aquarius is a breeze. The large reservoir holds 22 ounces of water, giving you over 90 seconds of continuous flossing time, so you won't have to refill it mid-use. The flossing wand is small and maneuverable, making it easy to reach even the back teeth. And the convenient water on-off switch adds extra control to the process. With its user-friendly design, it's ideal for both beginners and seasoned water flosser users. When it comes to performance, the Waterpik Aquarius truly shines. The combination of water pressure and pulsations, powered by precision pulse technology, effectively removes up to 99.9% of plaque and bacteria from the treated areas. Whether you're dealing with gingivitis, cavities, or bad breath, this flosser does an excellent job of tackling these issues. Plus, with the ADA seal of acceptance, you can trust its safety and effectiveness. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Waterpik Aquarius offers 7 different tips for multiple users, making it a great option for families. It's also backed by a 3-year limited warranty and is the #1 brand recommended by dental professionals. The 360-degree tip rotation and removable dishwasher-safe reservoir add to its convenience. However, the unit can be a bit bulky for smaller bathroom spaces, and it requires access to a power outlet, so it's not the most portable option. Compared to other water flossers on the market, the Aquarius stands out due to its ADA seal of approval and multiple pressure settings. Many other models only offer a few settings, so the Aquarius provides more customization. Its large reservoir and longer flossing time are also significant advantages, reducing the need for refills during use. As for value for money, the Waterpik Aquarius offers great quality and effectiveness, making it worth the price. While there are cheaper alternatives available, such as basic models with fewer settings or shorter flossing times, the Aquarius offers superior performance and a more personalized experience. If you're looking for something with fewer features, there are less expensive options, but they might not deliver the same level of cleaning power or convenience. The build quality of the Aquarius is solid. It's made from durable materials that can withstand regular use, and the removable top-rack dishwasher-safe reservoir makes cleaning it a simple task. Its overall construction feels sturdy, and the flossing wand is well designed for ease of use. The unit is slightly larger than some other models, but it feels well-made and built to last. User-friendliness is one of the key strengths of this product. The controls are straightforward, and the tips are easy to swap out for different users. Whether you're a first-time user or a seasoned flosser, the Aquarius provides a smooth, hassle-free experience. Its simple design means there's little to no learning curve. Customer support is another highlight. Waterpik offers excellent assistance through their Colorado-based support team, which is available to answer any questions or concerns. Their 3-year limited warranty further reinforces the product's reliability and Waterpik's commitment to customer satisfaction. In terms of real-world testing, I found the Aquarius to be incredibly effective in everyday use. From cleaning between teeth to helping with gum health, it consistently delivers excellent results. I've also tested it after meals to see how well it removes food particles, and I was impressed by how thoroughly it cleaned the treated areas. Whether you have braces, sensitive gums, or just want to maintain a healthy smile, this flosser gets the job done. There have been no significant updates to the Aquarius since its release, but its current functionality remains top-notch. It's clear that Waterpik has perfected the design and performance over time. So what's the final verdict? The Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser Professional, WP660, is a top-tier product for anyone looking to improve their oral hygiene. With its adjustable pressure settings, multiple tips, and effective plaque removal, it's an excellent investment for long-term dental care. I highly recommend it to anyone who's serious about their oral health. This product is perfect for families, individuals with braces, or anyone looking for an easy and effective way to maintain their oral health. It's also great for those with sensitive gums who want a gentle yet thorough clean. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in the Waterpik Aquarius, you can find the link in the comments below. Feel free to ask any questions or share your experiences if you already own one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more great reviews here on Beautyistic.